know, whether you believe it or not, the scriptures talk about one day there'll be a reckoning for all the wickedness and all the evil that is being done in this world. You can believe if you want that you're gonna go unchecked. The wrath of God is gonna come.
Fit the description, drug dealer with or without prescription. Wicked politicians talking but never listen. The gangbanger, mugging the stranger, loving your anger and won't repent 'cause you don't believe there's any danger. The rapist, spreader of hatred. The atheist, crazy is filling the grave because the gravy is the criminal. Manipulating through subliminal suggestions. The manufacturer of the Smith & Wesson. Demonic medicine, letting the poor die just to test them. Doctors and scientists try to resurrect them. Old money, power hungry. Gotta steal something from it and told me that you can learn a lot from a dummy. The dope user, child abuser, intoxicated boozer, whore, mugger, pork tongue, wanna be a loser, satanic professor. Said only science can bless ya. The oppressor and the child molester, stockbrokers and bankers, Illuminati gangsters, producers of nuclear submarine war tankers, false teachers, touch a student under the bleacher, jump over the pew and steal from me and you preacher.
The news editor, slanderous headline predator, quick to criticize with lies like you can do things better. Your PI reporter was made to order, gave him $1 million interview and now it's worth a quarter. The false prophet, teach topics is catastrophic. Your backsliding psychics won't like it, but I'ma drop it. The backfire, secreting gasoline for saliva. Words spark like a lighter, now you appear brighter. Market executives selling sex to kids while parents are incoherent and buried in sedatives. Then you spark those heart-to-hard foes and put them on talk shows for Ricky, Ginny, and Springer to expose. The war starter, spirit of Patton and MacArthur, claiming you fighting for justice but just make it harder. Ringleader, think it's fair to be a cheater, try to make it snow in Hawaii so you can sell them heaters. The land raper, space raider, invader, collecting data for all these multi-billion-dollar prayer haters. Soothsayer, truth debater, truth player, call your spaceship challenger to war with the creator.
The hater, bomb detonator, human disintegrator, the artificial food maker, air and water contaminator, fortune teller, secret blasphemous word speller, the cyber sex seller, and yeah, that Cinderella fella. Murderous mafia, Ku Klux Klan, and idol worshiper, area swastika, pedophile, child pornographer, abortionist. I don't care if you ain't supporting this. God sent me to get you in these law-making extortionists. The loan shark, wicked ruler without a heart, refuser, help build the ark. Anybody taking the mark of the beast, anti-peace, rebels and devils shedding innocent blood over diamonds and precious metals. Unrepentant sinner, biological German venom. The year 2000 election winner, scandalous record labels who sitting down at oval tables designing the plan to destroy us over coffee and bagels. Wicked court system, insurance company, racketeer. Every single year, y'all make millions off people's fear. Now the time is near for the Lord to fulfill His prophecy. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide from reciprocity.
The wrath of God, 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 from the wrath of God, the wrath of God, from the wrath of God, the wrath of God, from the wrath of God. Nobody escapes from the wrath of God. The wicked won't escape from the wrath of God. The wrath of God, the wrath of God, the wrath of God, the wrath of God. That's right, nobody escapes from the wrath of God. The wrath of God, the wrath of God. You can't escape the wrath of God. The wrath of God, the wrath of God.
Try to run, but you surely can't hide. Everything done behind closed doors will be unlocked and open. You may be getting away with it now, but God sees everything under the sun. The lights will be turned on, and you will be called out. Once that sky cracks, and the trumpet blast, oh Satan, Satan, and you demons, that'll be your last. See, the wrath of God is coming. Are you prepared for the wrath of God?